Gee. Where's all those expressions you were just doing? Bunky. Hi, Bunky. Are you happy, girl? Happy? Yeah. Can you tell me about it? Can you tell me about it? I can. Oh, is that the hiccup starting? Yes, it is. Are we going to get milk? Usually with the hiccups comes the milk. Are you kicking around? Yeah. Are you kicking around? Look at those feet go. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Yes, good job. Kick, kick, kick. Tell everyone hi. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Panda. Yep, that's what I thought. Little bit of milk came up. Did you just take care of it? Oh, good job. Good job. Can you make happy sounds? Oh. Too much. Too much came up, honey. Want me to pick you up? Yeah, that doesn't look like happy. That's not happy. Poor girl.